Hey, it's Amanda, Creative Gardener. Now, I stand here sometimes, or I sit. I've got a little stool, and I imagine what the plants are going to be like when they reach their maturity. And I like doing that because I know that they're in a phase right now of growth, of development. Some have produced fruit. Some are still waiting to produce fruit. But each have played their part in forming this space, this green space that holds so much life, so much promise, so many different sounds. That have changed the way that this little quarter of an acre space in Christchurch, Barbados, looks. I remember this space just being rocks and soil. And when I used to stand at this particular point, that's all you could see, rocks and soil. And now you can see so much life, so many different trees. I've counted about 100 different species of trees and plants, and around 200 actual trees, all coexisting in this space. And I imagine, as I look over there, in this path you can see a sapodilla tree. We've got the sapodilla tree there. We've got a mango tree there. We've got a sweet sop there. Coconut tree here. And we've got the aloes and neem. And I imagine just this mango tree, when it reaches maturity, what this space just here is going to look like. At the moment we can see the neighbour's wall, and at that point there, when people walk past, you can see their heads as they're walking past. But as this tree grows, it's going to provide you a shading from passers-by, and it will provide shading for the plants below and a place to nestle for the newcomers, the birds who want to call this place home. Standing right here, I get the aromas from the male papaya, the shak tree flowers, and the jasmine. The henna. I wish I had jasmine. The neem tree also produces fragrant flowers, and the crinium lily, which is at the front of the space just here, produces a beautiful, deep-scented set of flowers. You hear the passing sounds, but you're nestled in a space, a peaceful space. A space with stories to tell. A space with memories. A space with plants that hold medicinal properties. That hold cures, that holds remedies, nourishment, nutrition for the body, and a space that brings peace and a calmness to your soul, an awakening of your potential. Where you can just be yourself and allow yourself to be at peace. Welcome to the creative garden.